Hello everyone, in today's video, we are making an angled pipe component with dual flanges. So let's start first by opening a new part file. Okay. Now we will go to sketch and select the top plane. We will first start by drawing a main concentric circle, right at the center, and followed by our reference line. Okay, done. So we are making this base flange. Okay, and these are going to be our bolt holes. Now we are making circles to make our ears, flange ears, and a large circle of 70 mm diameter, as you can see in the sketch. Okay, now we will give them dimensions 70, 26, similarly 12 and 12 for our bolt holes. Okay, done. Now we will define their distance from the center, that is 29 mm, and similarly on the other side also it is 29 mm. Now we will define the dimension of our ears, flange ears, that is of 30 mm diameter. Similarly on the other side, that is of 30 mm diameter. Okay, as it has been done, what we will do now is that we will define their distance. Okay. Okay, so they are 15 mm. Done. Now they are defined. Great. Perfect. Okay, with the main shape locked in, let's grab the trim tool and using power trim carefully sweep away all the internal intersecting arcs. We want to clean this up until we are left with one smooth continuous outer profile enclosed our bolt holes. Perfect. Now done. We will go to extrude and extrude it to 11 mm. Done. We will now select the top plane, the top surface of our base flange. Okay, before that we need to make fillet. Using fillet, what we will do is that we will smoothen out our corners. Okay, and the 52 mm radius. Okay, done. Perfect. It is looking perfect now, as you can see. Now we will select the top surface and we will make two circles at the center. The outer one is of 40 mm diameter, as you can see in the sketch. So let's go. Okay, now we need a reference plane for the second flange. For that, let's select right plane, head to reference geometry and choose plane. We will select an offset distance of 80 mm to position our 88 mm, sorry, to position our secondary workspace. Okay, now let's go to sketch. But for that, we first need the reference line. So we are using this. Okay, then circles. And as you can see, there are two circles we need the most, that is of 26 mm diameter and 78 mm diameter. Let's go. And one more circle of 10 mm diameter for our bolts. So let's go, we will define it all. 26 and 78. Similarly, our bolts will be of 10 mm diameter. Now we need to define the distance from the center. As you can see, it is of 58 mm from the center in the sketch also. Let's go. Now we will be using the circular pattern feature to make this small circles repeatably. Okay, go to sketch, circular sketch pattern. We will select the center point, where, and done. Okay. Now we will go to features and extrude boss. Okay, on the other side, we need to extrude it. So let's change the direction. 11 mm, but it is 8 mm only. So let's go. Okay, done. In this plane also, we will sketch our profile. It is similarly that what we have done on the other side, 26 and 44. Sorry, 40. Okay. We just made them co-radial, so we do not need to define their dimensions. Now we are making the profile that our bended tube will follow. So for that we need the reference line. So one center line here, one center line here. Okay, they must not be intersecting, so we need to reduce. Okay, and reduce this also. Okay, done. Arc to connect this and define the radius as 35 mm, as you can see. Okay, done. It is done. Now we will remove the center line, like not remove, going to remove the center line. What we are going to do is that replace the center line with lines. Okay, similarly on the other side. Now done. As you can see, it is done now. So everything is there, ready. Now we will select the sketch, go to features and swept. In the swept, we will select the profile and we will select the path that it will follow. Let's go. It is ready. Thank you.